We're here to find out if Isack can go from driving an F1 car to one of those! This is the Ford Raptor T1 Plus.
This is one of the fastest rally race cars in the world!
The challenge is to see if I can get within 15 seconds of a time set by a pro rally raid driver. All around this 4 kilometers desert circuit with jumps, drops and climbs.
I think you're about to find out how brutal desert rally can really be. Good luck, mate. Okay, Mitch is going to set a benchmark lap, and then Isaac's going to see if he can get within 15 seconds of it. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go! Can you imagine what he's thinking in there now? How long the lap is. We think it might be around 3 minutes, which means 15 seconds is only 5%. So he's got to be within 95% of a pro driver. This is a tall task. Here he comes round the top. The dust is insane. He's pushing. Right, that's 1 minute, 3 seconds. Oh my word, right, 1:30. That is flat out.
Oh my God.
Little jump. And you don't even feel that.
Oh my God.
Okay. Don't be afraid here.
Oh, look! This is the bit where it literally goes down a cliff.
Ready?
Yeah. I mean, no. Oh my God. What? Oh my God.
When do you think Isack last went down a cliff in a car?
Here we are, almost 10 minutes.
Oh my word! Right, 3 minutes 16. This is going to be a challenge.
How was
Oh
it?
man, it's insane.
Completely crazy. What about that cliff? You can't see anything. He just drives off a cliff. Literally drives off a cliff. You did a 3 minute 16.
All right.
It's a big lap. Your target basically is 3:30.
My turn, I guess.
Yeah. Good luck, dude. Isaac's about to head out for the first time, and he's never driven anything off-road. And there's jumps, cliffs, rocks. So this will either be amazing, or it could go amazingly wrong.
All right.
All right.
Here we go! Yeah, boy! It's gonna have to do a bit better than that for a 3 minute 30.
You're gonna have a hard left through those cones, and then back hard right.
Well?
Hard right. Then stay straight. Then keep following the main road straight.
Hey, that is not slow! I didn't think lap 1 would be that ambitious.
This, be careful, because you can go like that. So. Then you have this dip, and then up and over. Yeah. There's a cliff to your left.
This will be pretty wild. This will be Isaac's first time driving off that cliff, which, having been in the passenger seat, is 100% blind.
Straight off.
Oh my God.
You're good. Straight. Straight.
Oh.
There. Now stay right. Perfect. Straight. Just keep straight. And then slide left through the arch. There's your lap. Lap 1.
All right.
There we go. 4:20. There's a minute to find, but it's his first time even sitting in a car like that.
Nice. That was good.
Yeah.
Good first run. You have to back up quick.
Oh, he's just stalled it. Oh, he stalled it again. Poor thing. Oh. Yeah, he's back on the move. That's what we want.
Don't let off. There you go. heartbreak.
Oh! He's run wide! We've got an incident. He's run deep on one of the turns. That's come well off the track.
I braked a bit late.
So leave it in first, clutch in.
Oh no. Touch. Not in.
Oh, the engine's going again. Go on. Yes.
Left. So kind of go wide,
Yeah,
and then you're right here.
What a gnarly guy. Like within 10 minutes of getting in the car, he's done jumps, driven down a cliff, and just had a crash.
Left, hard left, and straight. Try not to go to that ditch too much right there. There you're good.
Alright.
No, that's what it does. And then left through the arch.
He actually went quicker with a crash. 418.
Hey, honestly, I rarely have this much fun
Yeah?
in a car, yeah.
Yes! Whoa! Third gear off the jump that time.
Left around the tire here. Perfect.
I reckon this is going to be coming down by seconds each time.
You remember this corner coming up?
Yeah.
Oh, this is where he crashed. Slow down! Slow down!
There you go.
It looked like they took it steady over there, so I imagine Mitch is giving Isack a few tips.
Straight right here, straight. There you go.
Last run was 417 with a crash.
Back slice left.
He's just done it. He's just done it on a practice run.
That was a good one. That was good.
Thank you.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
What do we got?
That was sick, man. He's just literally done a 331.
Here we go. He's coming.
He's killing it.
Yeah, I know, I feel that. Like, without this guy, I'd be so lost.
How was your crash?
I braked a little bit late.
You still went faster with the crash. You've got it, man. Isaac's got 2 more practice laps and a hot lap to go. 3, 2, 1. Gets better every time. Oh!
Now brake hard. Perfect. More brake. Yeah.
Notice how much more dust there is now than the...
Now look for your left there. Point and shoot. Not too fast. Good. Perfect.
It's a 320 and he's coming.
Right.
This is ridiculous. 323. That's unbelievable. What's that, 7 seconds? He's half the challenge. Don't tell him. Yeah, that was all right, mate. Nice.
Only one more until I get out.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
You're good. You're doing.
Final push.
You're doing good.
Last practice run now. 3, 2, 1.
Look for this left-hander. Don't go too far outside. Slight right, then another slight right. You're good.
319. That's within 3 seconds.
Dude, that was a good one.
Thank you, mate.
I want to see the time.
You might have went faster than me on the last one.
No,
Maybe.
no way. Nah,
How is it?
it's so nice.
Yeah?
So much more fun than anything.
What's it like doing a jump in a car? The best.
Yeah.
Best thing ever.
Yeah, it's good.
You did have a crash,
Yeah?
and then
Honestly-
started the engine and went again.
To be fair, this car gives you so much confidence.
Yeah.
Right, so Mitch did a 3:16,
Yeah.
and we set the challenge to be you need to be within 15 seconds, which would be a 3:31. Okay, that's 5% of your time. So on your third practice run, you already did a 3:31, so you've already done the challenge. You did a 3:19. So you're only 3 seconds off Mitch's time. That's like 1.5% on this track.
Damn.
So that's practice finished. One last run. Let's see how close you can get to a 3:16.
Alright, let's
Get it, bro.
Let's do it.
Got it, guys. Right, this is the final run, the final timed run. Isack's within 3 seconds of Mitch's time, which is wild. Let's see how close he can get to a 3:16. 3, 2, 1. Can he get here in the next 15 seconds? 3:05. 3:10. 11. 12. Come on! 15. 16. 17. 3:18. He's got even better. Oh, he's within 2 seconds. Dude, how was that?
That was... I have a few regrets, to be honest.
Yeah?
Some bits were very good, some...
No, you did a 3:18, so you went even faster.
Okay, I take
Only
it.
2 seconds
I
off
take
Mitch,
it.
yeah.
There we go.
Dude, that's so fast.
I take it. Thank you, mate.
Isack could drive rally raid cars.
Oh, honestly, mate, I could do that all day long.